Just made this. It's not slime as yet, but it's going to be after when I add. Well, not yet. Put it in the freezer. I'm gonna show you the forgot my steak. I'm coming back. Hey sisters, I got the mixing stick. I know after you guys have added your baking powder, all you need to do next is just mix. I just took off the cap. So now all we do is mix. And then after you mix out every single thing, we're going to put it in the freezer. But as you're mixing, add more. But make sure it all dissolves so you don't see anything. And I'm starting a new channel. This is going to still be there. This channel is still going to be there. Oh, no air bubbles, please. No. God, no. I don't want any air bubbles in this. Not in this one. So you're just going to keep add and add and add and add. And it makes it and dissolves it. And the more you add more of this, the more bigger it gets. So you see this, guys? You're going to have to put this in the freezer. A lot more slime. I'm just going to pour that in there. Wow. And this is going to go. Oh, my foot was on the salt. And this is going to go in the freezer, guys. Just remember. It's not that all. Oops! My foot is touching the camera. So I'm going to take out the other slime that I made. I'm going to cart these back up. This is in an airtight container. Okay, guys, this slime is going to stay in the freezer for 1 hour and it's going to stay out for 2 days. So I'm going to leave it right there for a nap. Oh my god, stop. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry that you guys have to see my whole time. But guys, while this is this, I'm going to actually, I have to be careful with this salt. Okay. So I'm going to put the salt up here and I'm going to get the rest to show you. Oh yeah, you have to make sure that your things in an airtight container. It leaves out for 2 days, something right. Well guys, this is the other slime. Don't mind these things up there. That's where I just, have my stuffy. So how it looks, but it's not the one we just made. The one we just made is outside. Well, it's not outside, it's right over there. But it's out in the patio. And this one is a little bit. It couldn't make a lot. It's ooh. Remember, I'm far away from the kitchen. Well, just have to walk through that door and turn this way. Usually it's that way and that way. But yeah, it's slime. I'm going to take out the bigger version of this to show you. And take out the other bigger version that is outside of it. Okay guys, I'm going to put the other one in an airtight container and I'm going to put it in the freezer. So after that, guys, 2 days other slime in the freezer till while I am drinking grape soda. Cause why? Cause I want to. Okay. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this will help you. Bye, guys. I remember you guys keep in a seal locked container. And it's a very specific way to do it. So yeah, and it worked for me. So I know it can work for you guys. So yay. Bye, sisters.